how do you see an AI bubble bursting impacting these flows and in turn impacting demand for the dollar?
My view is pretty simple. If the bubble bursts, there will be a big fall off in new equity inflows. You'll have a bunch of existing investors possibly hedging their existing exposure, which creates additional downward pressure on the dollar. So the dollar will fall. I mean, the dollar right now is quite strong. I mean, people tend to focus a little bit too much, I think, on the fall in the dollar relative to the start of Trump's second term, which was an incredibly strong dollar. And that Liberation Day did dent confidence a bit. But we're still at levels of the dollar that are the same as the level of the dollar on a broad basis that were last seen in the dot-com era. We're at historically strong dollar levels against the yen, against the yuan, on an inflation-adjusted basis against the Taiwan dollar, on a relative basis against the Chinese yuan. So for most of Asia, it's an incredibly strong dollar. And I think if the dot-com bubble bursts, that reverses. Dollar starts to weaken. And then it just becomes a question of when do some of the traditional volatility smoothers, i.e. Asian central banks, come back into the market. If the bubble bursts, I think the dollar actually has a long way it could fall. In some sense, the stronger you go, the higher you go, the more room there is to fall. And the dollar is pretty high.